Today we'll be making a herbal tea. So we'll start with ingredients like chrysanthemum flower, Japanese honeysuckle, and some Chinese rock sugar, as well as some brown sugar. So what we'll do is, with this sugar, we have about 160 grams altogether. So we have a piece of the brown sugar to introduce some more molasses kind of a flavor and a nice brown hue to the whole tea. We'll start by adding 3 liters of water to a pot. Then we can add our chrysanthemum flower and Japanese honeysuckle to it. The rock sugar we will save for later. When everything comes to a boil, then we can add that in. Now it has come to a boil. Now let's check on it. We'll give it a quick stir to make sure everything is still floating and nothing is stuck to the bottom. Then we can add our rock sugar together with our brown sugar in this whole mixture and boil it for another 20 minutes on low heat. Now 20 minutes has passed. Let's turn off the heat and strain our flour from this tea. Once that's done, we can set it to cool. Take a look at the golden hue in this beautiful tea. Now this tea can be served hot or cold for the summer or the winter for all ages. Chinese usually brew this tea at home to help lower some of the heat in the body from all the late nights of sleep or even all the deep fried foods. So this is something to consider if you have sores in your mouth to drink. This might just help. Now there's a lot of benefits to this drink. It can help lower your blood cholesterol, blood pressure, control diabetes. It even has antibacterial and antiviral benefits to this. So this is just a great everyday drink to have that is also great for your health. So you'll notice a slight bitterness that is from the honeysuckle, but it's very slight. But this drink is amazing. So give it a try, comment and let us know what do you think. Until next time, bye now. Enjoy.